or x over 2 is equals to 4 over 5, you can just cross multiply. You cross multiply, so that will be x times 5, that's 5x, is equals to 2 times 4, that's going to be 8. Since x is multiplied by 5, you do reverse by dividing both sides by 5. So x is equals to 1 and 3 over 5. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Good. Do you have any questions on that? Any problem with that?
No, sir.
Good. Can we do that?
Yes, sir.
Actually, it's like this.
Okay.
So is the answer 5?
Nope. Think
Huh?
again. Think again. Think again. You want the x to be alone. That's not correct, princess. Correct yourself. X should be alone. And right now, x is attached to 2 by division. What is the opposite of division?
Multiplication?
So right now, x is divided by 2. So if you want to reverse that, what do you do?
Oh, okay.
Multiply x by 2.
Very good. So you just say this by 2. And remember, what you do on the right side is what you do on the left side. Is that so? So x divided by 2
The answer is 6.
multiplied by 2
Yes, is it
is
not
equals
6?
to 3 by 2. So this and this will cancel. So x is equals to 6.
X is equal to, yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Example 3. X over 5 plus 2 is equals to 1. Right? Right now you can see x is attached to 5 by division, and then a 2 is added to it. So the first thing I can do is to detach x over 5 from positive 2, which means I will subtract negative 2 on both sides, so that I'll have x over 5 plus 2 minus 2 is equals to 1 minus 2, because I'm doing a reverse operation, plus 2. If you want it to go away, you subtract 2. So that's this side. You left this gonna be 0. Then you'll be left with x over 5 is equals to negative, is equals to negative 1, because it's 1 minus 2. So since you want x to be alone, in this case, I will multiply here
5.
by 5. Then I'll multiply here by 5. So x is equals to -5.
5.
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
Are we together?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Good.
Only like myself when I'm with nobody can hear.
X plus 1 divided by 2 is equivalent to 3. How will you deal with this? X is attached by +1 and then by division. So you can see that the first thing you can do is to reverse the division, because whenever you're dealing with a fractional equation, the first step is to clear fraction altogether. How will you
Yes, sir.
clear the
Mm-hmm.
fraction? To clear the fraction, you find the lowest common multiple that you can use as the lowest common denominator. So here you can see that's 1 and 2. The easiest way of finding the lowest common multiple or the lowest common denominator or whatever, let's just say common multiple, not even only the lowest, because any common multiple can do. You just multiply 2 times 1, you get 2. Then you multiply this side by 2. Then you multiply this side by 2. Then what will you get? It's going to be 2x plus 1 over 2 is equals to 6. So 2 and 2 will divide each other one time. 2 into 2, that's 1. Then you're left with x plus 1 is equals to 6. If you want x to be alone, you just say x is equals to 6, take away 1, I will subtract 1 from both sides. Or whatever what the other teachers say, if this constant value jumps the equal sign, it will change to negative. Are we together? It will change its sign. So that positive is going to be negative. So we'll say x is equals to 5. Or you were just supposed to say x plus 1 over 2 is equals to 3. You just do cross multiplication. Then you get x plus 1 times 1 here, which is there. It will still remain the same. Then 2 times 3, that's 6. So it's x plus 1 equals to 6. So x is equals to 6 minus 1. So x is equals to 5. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Good. Any questions? If this lesson cut off in 9 minutes to come, you rejoin again. Are we together using the same link?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Another example. That's example 5.
That's 4.
Example 5, they would say solve um 3x minus 2 all over 4 is equal to 4x minus 8. Right. How do you do this? I said the first way is to clear the fraction. Is that so? So this denominator is over 1. So what is the lowest or what is the common multiple? That's going to be 4 times 1.
4.
it's going to be 4. So you are going to multiply everything by 4. So which means if you come here and multiply by 4 and multiply here by 4, what are you going to have? Okay, this
Uh,
means 4 and the 4 cancel. Then you're left with 3x minus 2 is equals to 4 multiplying 4x minus 8. Because this 4 is multiplying all that. So this will be 3x minus 6 is equals to 16x minus 32. So I would want to take 3x this side. So I will have 16x minus 3x is equals to
three
negative 6 plus 32. Because if this comes here, becomes
32.
positive. So what do we have? You are going to have
Mm-hmm.
32 minus 36. What do you have? What do you have? 32
Except for
minus 6. What do you get?
32 minus 6 is 26.
It's 26, which is equals to 16 minus 13 minus 3. That's 13x. If you want x, you divide both sides by 13. So this and this, which means 2 is equals to x. Or you were just supposed to say 3 is equal to x minus 2
2 is
all
equal
over 4 is equal to 4x minus 8. So before you do anything, you would say 3 times x. You get 3x minus 6 over 4 is equal to 4x minus 8 all over 1. Then you do cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, it means 1 times 3x minus 6 and equals to 4 times 4x minus 8. That will be 3x minus 6 is equivalent to 16x minus 32. That will be 32 minus 6 is equals to 16 minus 3x. That's 26 is equals to 13x. Then you divide both sides by 13. 2 is equals to x, which is the same as x is equals to 2. Are we together? Are we together? Hello guys, are you there? Hello.